Hidden Oaks Nature Center is the district's newest acquisition, and we're excited to be able to help others reconnect with nature in the heart of Bolingbrook. There are plenty of opportunities to learn about the natural world both inside and outside. You're sure to leave smarter than when you arrived. Spend some time with our resident turtles. Let the kids show off their crafty side. Check out all the nooks and crannies. Explore the outdoor nature play area and let those little legs run wild and burn off some energy. This visitor center is for you, supported by your tax dollars, so take advantage of everything it has to offer. Map your next adventure at reconnectwithnature.org.